My Powerful Hair. Written by Carole Lindstrom, illustrated by Steph Littlebird. I can't wait for my hair to grow. Mom never had long hair. She was told hers was too wild. Nokomis couldn't have long hair. Hers was taken. Our ancestors say our hair is our memories, our source of strength, an extension of us. When Nimishoomis taught me how to fish for the first time, my hair was at my ears. His stories and the memories of that day are woven into my hair. Our ancestors say we grow our hair long to be close to Mother Earth. When my baby brother was born, my hair touched my shoulders. The gift of welcoming him into this world is woven into my hair. Our ancestors say, our hair carries energies and power. It is a celebration of our lives. When my cousins taught me how to make moccasins, my hair was past my shoulders. All of the laughter and stories from that day are woven into my hair. Our ancestors say, when a loved one braids your hair, it reinforces the sacredness of your relationship. When my hair reached the middle of my back, Auntie Delia braided it so that I could dance at powwow. All of her teachings and prayers are woven into my hair. Our ancestors say, our hair is our medicine. The vibrancy of our culture and our connections to the earth and to each other are woven through our hair. When Nimishoomis journeyed on to the spirit world, my hair was past my waist. I cut it. I sent it into the spirit world with him so that he could have my energies. I'm growing my hair long again. Mom says she wants to grow hers too. We'll do it together.